today's conference is about taking policy and making it real. This conference is really important because it gathers people from across the FE and skills sector at all levels, not just leaders, but practitioners, managers, those working with students across the piece.
I really love that we've gone after the levelling up theme this year. What I like about this conference is the sheer breadth of people who are attracted to come here. It's a really eclectic mix.
There's a huge buzz in this conference. It's packed. You can feel the energy, you can feel the commitment, you can feel the passion. I think it's a really exciting opportunity to share ideas.
What's important here is talking to people that are literally on the front line of this levelling up debate. For me, levelling up is about background, not determining what you do, whatever that is.
It's good to kind of get an understanding as to kind of what the needs are across the sector and what people from all across the UK really are thinking.
This is about investment, and so you've got to invest in young people, you've got to invest in the teachers and trainers who are skilling them up.
I wanted to get across just how important FE is and what a massive role we have in levelling up and how transformational we are.
We wanted to sponsor this event because education and skills is what drives forward local economies, what drives forward the businesses in the future, and this is a very important and strategic conference, I think.
Really wanted to be part of this event because here at the Skills Network we do work with the Skills and Education Group. We find they're always at the forefront of what they're doing, and that we find that the learner, engaging learners, is really important.
I was really keen that we supported this event because I feel like as the sector's dedicated newspaper we've got a really powerful role in helping to not just inform our audience but also challenge our audience when it comes to some thinking and new ideas around policy, around social mobility, around new ways of doing things.
It's actually probably one of the best events we've attended all year, to be fair, and it just showcases the strength of the brand that is Skills and Education Group.
Skills are absolutely central to the productivity challenge this country has, and if we can ensure that skills are funded sufficiently and we can provide the aspiration for people to reskill and to train, then we can make that difference.
Coming to conferences like this and getting the diversity of thought from the people in the room does actually really help to shape the way that we're thinking and shape the products that we produce.
Whether you are a hiring manager, whether you are in a position where you can make sure that there are more diverse faces there, please, please, please do that, because it changes people's lives. This is just an example of diversity and why we need to continue enforcing that, and not even just in the media, but everywhere we go.
I think maybe as we've gathered today, we don't exactly work in an easy sector. So I think some of the things today is the sharing of, it is that we've all got common concerns. I think if anything, it's inspiration and belief in what they're doing.
There's such resilience and such energy and such enthusiasm for what the sector does. And I think that's what makes it so special, is that it's not just about the day-to-day, it's about young people, it's about the students, it's about changing their lives, and I think that's where the energy comes from.
If you invest in local communities, they know what their communities need, and they can find a whole range of solutions and leverage in more income and more investment and really make innovative and different solutions for their communities.
It's been fantastic. We've heard from so many people about what impact FE can make at all levels, and everybody who's part of that journey for each individual learner. And I think that's the message that everybody's going to take away and just keep on driving back in the day job.
I think days like today's is a really good opportunity to listen to colleagues, to listen to colleges and what's actually happening on the ground, the issues that are impacting them and how they're tackling them.
It was such an experience coming from South Africa, coming to here. Challenges that we have back home are also challenges here. So the FE sector is the same throughout the world.
People should leave this conference with a buzz, an energy, and a recognition of the work that they do matters. Their work transforms lives.